Hey, yo, this nigga Terrio at Papa. Say ooh. Say ooh.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I will be doing some catering for one of my subscribers. Yeah, she wanted me to do some jerk chicken and some fried Escovitch fish. I already seasoned up my chicken from overnight, so I showed that to you when I'm putting it on the grill. As for my fish, I already cleaned up my fish, so I'm gonna get it seasoned up. One pot of fish here, so I'm gonna get it seasoned up. Yeah, get it fried as well. And those are my vegetables that I'm gonna put on it. Yeah, so stay tuned and watch it process, guys. Soon come. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna start the fish frying now. So yeah, stay tuned and watch how we deal with this. Yeah, man, as I said before, I'm doing some catering for one of my subscribers. I'm doing some fried Escovitch fish along with some jerk chicken. So now I'm going to start the fried fish process. Yeah. Yeah, guys, in the meantime, the fish frying, I'm gonna sort out my grill pan to do my jerk chicken. So stay tuned, and soon come. Alright, guys, I'm gonna get the chicken on the grill. Well, the chicken is already on the grill, so yeah, you can follow me on this one. Watch what's going on. Alright, see you guys. Stay tuned. Still come. You guys, this is the first set of fried fish. Still frying fish. And the fish still have some fish in the pot frame. And there's more fish to fry. So yeah, it's gonna be a long day. Anyway, stay tuned and watch the process, guys. Over here I've got some jerk sauce. Yep. So that is it, guys. Stay tuned and watch the process. That's my fried fish. Some of it. Yeah, man. Soon come. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna check on jerk chicken. Yeah, that's the last set left. So yeah, I'm gonna check on see what's going on. Yeah, just stay tuned and watch what's going on, guys. So yeah, guys, this is it, right? Everything coming on nicely. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Soon come. Okay, guys, this is my fried Escovitch fish. Yep. And over here, it's my jerk chicken over here. It's finished product. Yeah, so yeah, guys, this is it. So, thanks for riding along on the journey with me, guys. Yeah. That's my job. jerk chicken. And this is my fried Escovitch fish. So stay tuned, guys. So you guys, we have made it to the end of another video. So what will you do for me? Like, comment, share and subscribe. Please guys, give the video a thumbs up. Watch the video until its end. Yeah, watch it to the end rather. And share the video with your friends and your family members. Yeah man, that is it. We are out. Have a nice one guys and catch you in the next video. Peace and love. We out.